Setting the signing order for multi-party agreements can seem tricky, but in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Stay tuned, because I'll also give you a simple way to automate the process, saving you time and reducing errors. First things first, why is setting the signing order important? When you're dealing with multiple parties in an agreement, it's crucial to set a clear signing order. If the order isn't right, you can run into issues with approvals, delays, or even the agreement being considered invalid. So let's dive right into how you can set the signing order efficiently. In most platforms, you'll find a signing order option in the document setup. This is where you assign each participant a specific position in the signing process. Start by identifying all parties involved in the agreement and their roles. Who signs first, second, and so on. If the signing order isn't specified, some software may automatically default to sending documents in a random order. You don't want that, especially with a complex multi-party agreement. Now, once you have everyone's role clearly defined, it's time to enter them into your software. This is where our software shines. It lets you easily drag and drop participants into the correct order. It's super intuitive, and the best part is you can edit the order at any time before the document is sent out for signatures. Another important tip is to check whether your software allows you to set up signing instructions. This feature is particularly useful when you have specific steps that need to be followed by different parties. For example, you can have one party review the agreement first, and after they sign, the next party gets notified to sign. This step-by-step flow ensures no one skips critical parts of the document. Once your order is set, take a moment to double-check everything. You don't want to accidentally send the document to someone who's not supposed to sign yet. And before sending it off, make sure you've selected any necessary options, like adding reminders or notifications, to keep everyone on track. This is exactly how you set the signing order for multi-party agreements, but I want to make sure you don't miss out on something that could make your life even easier. If you're tired of manually managing signing orders, the software we're using today can automate the process. You can streamline the entire workflow with automatic notifications, reminders, and status updates. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software just for you, so be sure to grab it in the description below to follow along and save time. To summarize, here's the key takeaway. Setting a clear signing order is essential for multi-party agreements, and using the right software can make the process much faster and error-free. Identify the participants, set up the order in your software, and use any automation features to ensure smooth execution. Don't forget to check the description for your exclusive free trial. It's a great way to simplify this whole process. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out the free trial link below and make signing agreements a breeze.